Hey everybody! Today I'm going to teach you how to make cute 4th of July boxes. These boxes are perfect to fill with candy and give as gifts, or you can display them as summer decorations. The first thing you need to do is pick your paper. I got most of these from Hobby Lobby, but I also mixed in a few pieces of neutral cardstock. I'm making 4 boxes. For most of them, I'm choosing a patterned piece of paper for the top and a solid piece for the bottom. I really wanted to do an American flag box, so for this one, I picked stripes for the top and stars for the bottom. Unless you are doing a very specific theme like that, I find that it's best to try to coordinate the top and bottom and do something solid or less busy on the bottom. For the box itself, you're going to start with the 2 pieces of paper that you picked. I'm using a standard 8.5 by 11. You want to cut both pieces into a square. Start with the pattern that you want for the bottom of the box. If the pattern is only on one side of the paper, flip it upside down. Then, draw a line from the top left corner to the bottom right corner using a ruler. Draw another line between the other 2 corners, making an X. Fold one corner inward until it touches the center of the X you just drew. Then crease it. Do this again with the other 3 corners. Fold the edge inward again until it meets the center line, creasing it well. Then, unfold and repeat with the other 3 edges. You can see that the creases form squares and triangles. Cut along the second square and triangle to the right of the corner. Then, cut the triangle to the right of that off. Turn the paper 90 degrees and repeat. Continue until you have done this on all 4 sides. You should have 4 little tails and 4 larger arrow-looking things. Fold each arrow over the tails until the triangular part is flat on the paper. Use a small piece of tape to hold everything together. For the top of the box, you're going to repeat the steps you used for the bottom of the box, with one little change to make it a little bigger than the bottom. Flip the paper upside down and use a ruler to draw an X. Fold each corner inward, but this time, don't go all the way to the line. Fold each edge over like you did before, but again, don't go all the way to the line. Once again, cut along the second square and triangle from the corner. Cut the triangle next to it off. Fold each arrow over the tail until the triangular part is flat on the inside of the box. Secure it with a piece of tape. For a more detailed tutorial on box making, check out my video Easy Paper Boxes, linked in the description below. Here's how all my boxes turned out. Now I'm going to show you 4 different ways to package a gift inside your box. Fill your box with candy. I'm using hot tamales because they're red. Now, put the lid on your box and take a piece of ribbon. Make sure it is long enough to go all the way around your box with plenty of ribbon left over. Tie a double knot. Now, tie a bow on top. Cut the ends at an angle so they are slanted. Take a small piece of tissue paper and crumple it slightly. Carefully tuck it into the box so that the corners of the tissue paper are pointing towards the sides of the box. Pour some candy, I chose Whoppers, onto the tissue paper. Carefully wrap the tissue paper around the candy and put the lid on the box. Fill the box with candy. I chose Trolli Gummy Worms because they're red and blue. Now take some ribbon. Make sure it's long enough to go all the way around the box and still have enough left over to tie. Turn the box on its side and tie a double knot. Now cut the ends at an angle. For this last idea, once again fill the box with candy. Take an extra long piece of ribbon and lay it out on the table. Turn the box upside down and position it on top of the ribbon. Pull the ends of the ribbon up and twist them around each other, like this. Now, flip the box back over and bring the ribbon up, tying it in a double knot. Cut the ends at an angle. Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe and check out my channel.